So we have ordered sliders, veg sliders at the Slider Cafe, and this is in this place called Walking Street. And Ayush, if you can take a bite and tell us how it tastes. This whole thing on the table is for 330 bucks, and that's what we have, like water also coming our way. So Slider Cafe is this very cute place at Walking Street, and so Ayush, tell us, how does it taste? See,
Good.
really? See, okay, so that's an 8 out of 10 rating. My child normally doesn't give such a high rating to things. So yeah, it is good. It tastes a little like non-veg almost. So that's quite a treat for someone who's, even for those of us who are vegetarians and vegans. But this is a very cute place that is at Walking Street. And as you can see, we have like very helpful staff also here. And this is a cute place really. So Ayush, you would recommend this place to people, right? So for just 330 bucks, you get like 3 sliders and potato chips, potato wedges. And my cute little rabbits are also having a good time here. We have this cooler. So I'm so glad we've come to Walking Street in near high-tech city, Hyderabad. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.